You. Good morning, good morning. How am I even putting on my shoes? Hey, good morning, guys. How are you? Hey, I love brown boots for now. I'm in the village. Hi, good morning, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Claude Joseph. And in case you're new here, subscribe, like, share, and leave a sweet comment. And today's video is a super special video. Bambi, how are you, Bambi? Bambi, hey, Bambi. This is B, and we have Bumble, and B. Hey, yes, this is Bumble and B. The cute dogs ever. Yeah, so guys, on today's video is our first special video. Ensure you subscribe, you like, share, and leave us a comment. Today is another beautiful day that we'll be moving from this side to another side. But before we move, or before I give you this amazing transit, ensure you subscribe, you like, you share, and leave us a comment what you think about this amazing video. So we're on the road to 30,000 subscribers, and thank you so much for 23,000 subscribers. 0.5. I appreciate your love and support today. Almighty Jah, much thanks back. And also for those always who reach out saying, Claude, thank you for the video, and Claude, this was amazing video, thank you so much, and be blessed all. And always we are here to just produce and create new vlog every day. So I'm shooting this video all the way from my home over here. This is my home. For the new subscribers, this is our bulletproof house. The reason why we call it a bulletproof house, they say mud is okay with mud is a poor conductor. Let me use physics. Mud is a poor conductor to bullet, but bullet is so much attractive to metals, so they regarded my house as a bulletproof house. Reason being, the bullet can't penetrate because it's made of mud. So let's put that aside. This is our home, and this is how you see over here. Very clean. Appreciating the gift of nature by just grooming the home, and also the walk path or the pathway. The way you see it, this is how everything is. There's a guy that always look after my goats, or our goats over here. Decided to put a very big bumps over here. And I asked him, he was like, no, because there's water sometimes running from there. So when it reaches here, it can conserve what you call like soil erosion. So this day today, guys, we'll be heading to Bushman dude. He just decided to say, oh, Claude, there's something here, please come. And he invited me, and it's not the first time that I'll be paying a visit to his place, but he was like, you just come, I want to see what's happening. Maybe he has something in store. Let's go see how everything is with him over there. Oh man, this is now the nature of the village. Look at this. This is a banana. What a planting. Banana. It just fell because of the wind. Oh, I want to harvest this. Manu! I don't know if I just harvest it just that way, like a thief. You know, thieves just come and cut it that way with their hands without even having a knife. Yeah, so this will go put it under the water. We'll just go make it ripe so that it can be okay. I'm looking also for our plants. This is how you see the nightshade are already here. They're already developing. Look, these are the black nightshade, and also we have spider. And hey, Bambi, how are you, Bambi? Bambi. Yeah, and also our spiders. I call spiders. Oh my God, sorry, not spiders, but our spider web plants are already here. People should not pass here anyhow, because we already have this, you know. So I see people are making, they should regulate their legs coming here. So I should put some thorns around all the way through, because they should regulate what we call like legs passing through that side. Yeah, so guys, from here I'll be taking you to Bushman Dude's place, and then we want to see what's happening with him over there, because just changing the niche from this side. You have always been seeing videos from my home, but let me just take you somewhere else. Hey, B is always coming with me. Yeah, so we have also some pomegranate over here, and the home is so nice, clean. You can just sit anywhere, anywhere. You'll be able to sit and you enjoy. So let me take this to Mama so that they can. And also we are grooming. There's the grass. I'll take this. That's how you see. Just going to the land and finding that there's a banana down there, so people can pass and steal it. So let me put it over here. Bibi, umepata ndizi huko imeanguka. Eh, think this will be better. Si utauza ima? Kiko hapa. Bibi, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
How are you?
You good?
You good?
You fine?
Yeah, fine.
Hey, hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you?
Guys, this is our amazing grandma over here. She's relaxing. It's early in the morning, and she's doing her best thing here. Haidoma iye mulali, haidoma na wani wafikilenga. Haidoma iye mulali, haidoma ali. Haidoma iye mulali, haidoma. Haidoma iye mulali, haidoma. Haidoma iye mulali, haidoma. Hey, let me see how Bibi will look with these shades. Let me see how she will look with the shades. Hey. America. You are the U.S. Army. U.S. Army. United States. Hey, you look good, baby. You look young. 20 forever. Forever young. You wanna be forever young. Whoever wants to live forever and ever. Forever young. I wanna be forever young. Wish you have living forever. Forever and ever. Ed Sheeran. Alright guys, this is what you see. Also have some beautiful trees over here. So let me take you there, and we wanna check on Bushman Dude. Alright. And you know now my motorbike is just you put it on with the remote like so. So I wanna just go just by the remote like. Let's go. Guys, I just arrived here. Guess where I am. So I just left my motorbike over here. just arrived here, so on another video on another place, different zone, and we are here in one of the greatest houses in the village, an Ephraim house. Hey, where will I pass, bushman?
Yes, oh, thank you so much. How are you doing?
I'm doing good, man. Good morning.
So here you have to follow procedure.
Hey, you're opening
this is how you do this, eh?
like a military barrack.
In a barrack.
Hey.
This is the bushman dude. So welcome. Anyway.
Guys, you can just see. Hey, I love the flowers.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah.
To plant at least a little bit so that at least to make the compound at least big.
Hey, you are, for sure, this bushman dude, guys. You can see a lot of trees, houses.
You can even have guava.
You don't want to tamper with the guava near the house.
The door. There are so many things actually.
Oh, bushman. Guys,
So,
I
yeah.
told you, when I was coming from home,
Yeah.
I was just trying, like, let me just come to this end. My land is just up there.
Yeah. Actually,
So,
when you're here, you can just
Yeah, you can view from here. So,
from up here.
bushman was like, Claude, man, you have to pass by over here. I was like, hi, how are you? You great? So bushman was like, hey man, you have to pass. Nowadays you have been like coming,
you
going.
don't come,
You don't come. So like today comes. So I was like, okay, it's nice. Bushman,
Yes.
I see when you have a new djembe, bushman.
Yes, I have a new jam. I bought.
Hey.
I had bought another one, but someone came and took it.
Ah,
Because he in the
without
village.
without your
Without
authority.
me knowing. That's why I tried to make this fence, but you can still pass. I'm
Oh.
wondering now.
Bushman.
He came and took it because by that
Without
time,
your permission.
Yeah, we've not. By that time, we've not migrated. Not at least right now.
Oh,
Migrated
you have
this area.
migrated. Okay.
And I was not here, so he took advantage by pass. You know, that's why I have that barrack gate. So that when I get inside here, I put that barrack gate for
For security purposes.
trespass. No, when I found you inside here and the barrack gate was closed, that's trespassing.
You ask
Yeah,
why you.
so you're under arrest.
I love this jacaranda tree.
Oh, this jacaranda, yes,
Yeah,
I've planted them like they are like three.
They grow
three,
big.
yeah. They grow big
Very,
actually.
very
so
big.
I love them because they look good
Uh-huh.
and they're good for shade.
Oh yeah, guys. This is bushman dude.
Even have
And
some chilies.
chilies
Those
also.
chilies, you have, you know those vegetables, kihango,
Oh
those ones that add blood.
Guys, this
Mostly
is
in
kihang.
Korea. Yeah.
They add blood. Actually, they
Yeah.
can coil all the way through.
Yeah, that's why I've tried to put this one at least.
It can
so
coil.
that maybe can coil.
It has a tendril, so
yeah,
it can
but
just.
it's very sweet actually.
Ah man, this is so nice.
Yeah.
This
so-
is community, guys. So we
yeah.
are here and I just paid a visit at bushman
Yeah.
dude because it was like, Claude, you just pass on the
But
road here.
He's a good friend of mine.
Yeah,
He's like
yeah.
a brother. He's the one actually helping me for materialization and the
Yes.
pin. you
Yes.
know. So sometimes when maybe you're in the village and you don't come to say hi to the bushman dude, I'm wondering now, what this bushman dude is it not people neglecting him because he's a bushman?
No. Nobody's
Sometimes
neglecting
our
you.
friends come and at least
For sure,
visit.
for sure,
And
you are a
feel like
bushman.
At least you gonna get 2 friends or 3.
Yeah.
You don't need like 10.
For sure, you are a
Yeah.
bushman here. You know the reason why even you have motivated me.
Why?
I'll start to plant trees.
Yeah, but
is-
in that of your land actually you'll have started planting because you know like me here I started planting even before I start building. Yeah.
But with me, you know.
Or immediately when I started building, I started. You know, the problem is when you start building.
Yes.
Now you'll get that chance to be there like every day.
Yes, for
you
sure.
know, at least you plant because building will take long.
Yeah,
At
for
least
sure.
you plow, you put someone to
Some
water
trees
them,
to
take
water
it-
the
yeah,
plants. Yeah.
You know.
You know, like me.
Because now where you come from home there, it's not also far from
Not
here.
far. When I have a
Yeah.
motorbike, I just.
Yeah, from those rocks. Every day I show them rocks. That you know, there is a day
You came home there.
I performed miracles in those rocks.
Come on, man.
And this guy who was coming, I'm the one who I took him to ask. Can I bring him?
yeah, bring it. We go there. So these are fruits. These are fruits. Hey guys.
Yeah, these are fruits. Mostly they grow wild, but now when we went to the garden center,
You
we
said.
saw it. So me, I was like,
I'm
these
a
things-
bushman.
Yeah, no, like, no, like these things they grow at home there, like everywhere.
Everywhere. Yeah.
I realized my babe knows about it. And
About this.
she's that's why. She's
Wow,
there.
man. Guys,
Yeah.
you know there's
So she's the one told me that babe, let's go plant this one. I'm like,
the fruit.
even you know
Actually,
it?
I think it's worldwide because
Yeah.
we remember when you go to the bush, like maybe going to we used to see this when we
Maybe
were grazing.
yeah.
You're looking after animals.
Yeah, I'm looking also this one.
Yeah. So or fetching firewood. You know.
fetching firewood.
I remember we could
People
be
eat
beaten.
them actually.
Is
You see
it
like this
already?
one? Yeah, this one's ripe and you see they've started
ripe,
changing.
man.
Yeah. So me, I just take this.
Yeah, you
way.
live like
I do
the
this one
little
because
Jamaica.
No insect, real Jamaica. No insect can get inside here
Ah,
because
yeah,
it's
yeah.
covered.
And I'm seeing you
know?
have a very huge place.
Yeah,
Yes, can be a playground,
See,
but
I've tried to plant this actual pumpkin and watermelon. These some trees I've tried to plant. I'm trying to plant.
how bushman? How I'm just imagining. You know
Yeah.
why I'm just imagining?
Yeah.
This big yard, you have
Yeah.
planted a lot of trees.
There's a lot of
different,
tree, yeah,
not
different-
fruits,
yeah.
not vegetables.
Yeah.
I'm like, wow, man.
Even there is someone who, one of our viewers,
Yes.
watching as he was, I think, one of the agriculture, those officer. He called me from Nairobi land, like
Yes.
bushman.
Yeah.
Like he inspiring me now to be like a real bushman, conserve environment. So me,
For sure, I'm seeing like,
yeah,
look,
you see,
guys.
these are called what?
These are called cypresses.
Cypress, yes.
Cypresses.
Yes.
And I saw a pine one down there.
Yeah,
Pine
yeah,
tree.
yeah. So there are many. You have some. These are purple.
Guys, we are touring just a small tour here at Bushman Dude's home.
Yeah.
It's on the iframe over here.
The purple is here, and I don't know if it's being affected. I don't know what's
You have
wrong
to
with
spray
this
it
one.
maybe.
Yeah, that's the
Oh,
problem
I
now.
think maybe there was a goat tied here. That's the reason
Oh,
you see.
oh, that's why maybe it's coming.
Yeah, it's affecting the leaves.
Hopefully it will be okay. Yeah, every day I have to walk here and I try to see what's the problem.
Okay.
You see when that tree.
This
when
tree
it
grows
become
big.
big, yeah.
It grows
Yeah.
very big.
Yeah, I planted like
And this one, you know, it never dries. Even
it's
if
never
you're
dry. You see even how it's shining? Yeah.
this way, guys.
It's shining like it has been polished.
They have applied oil on it.
The whistling ones, they have not grown that.
They're called cypresses.
I don't know if they
No,
separate.
pine. Whistling pines. Yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot of trees. I know.
So which one you just made the fence all the way?
Yeah, I made the fence because now I realize, see even how I'm trying to fix this fence.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, because I realize people come and tie the cows here.
And then they
And
destroy
then,
the trees.
yeah, they even pass and eat these
trees. Oh, okay.
So
yeah.
I decided to make a temporary fence.
Yeah.
It's even looking good actually.
It's very
So
nice.
I realized people are coming from this side.
The past.
They want to go to the vegetable, that agriculture man.
Okay.
There are so many people come and collect pick
Vegetables
yes.
from there.
And also my brother here now.
Yeah,
I give
yeah.
him, somewhere to pass.
Somewhere to pass.
So
yeah.
when you want to
Yes,
meet,
this is
just
Nasto's
pass
place
and
actually.
pass.
Yeah.
You have to pass like a military.
Yeah. Oh, you have to pass like a bit. It's a sharp corner.
Looking. No,
Those will go. Shh.
no cornering in my house. No, when you beat, you pass once. And that's it.
You guys says that you have to pass like a military. One corner, one sharp bend corner. You go.
You have some mangoes.
Okay. Wow.
So many.
These are some mangoes here, guys.
Yeah.
Hey, bushman.
Those one, you know that one. Eh?
You have really, yeah, I know that.
Yeah.
You have really invested in trees, bushman, which is
forest is something good because
Yeah.
I want this not to be like a garden where you see when I'm trying to prevent to leave these natural forest
forest.
just to be there. Yeah,
These guys are bushman,
Yeah.
guys. You know these things. Sometimes when you're in the land, you clear them, but with him,
like but now
with-
me I see them. They have good because they bring the green and also the bird likes coming here.
yeah, for
You see, they
sure.
have some seeds I've
Yeah,
realized.
the
They
birds
to
come
eat
and
those
eat.
one,
Yeah, they
so,
come.
and I need birds inside here.
Hey, bushman,
So-
bushman. What came in your mind when you decided, like, because you have grown in this village?
Yes,
We have been here sometimes traveling outside the village and coming back.
yes.
What is the idea
We
behind
have
this?
some thorns. I don't remove them.
You don't want to remove
No.
them? What?
You should be careful. If you don't know, this compound will be torn. So,
What's the idea behind this?
oh, the
Bushman,
idea
you know?
behind this is because let me tell you, actually, in life, everyone, we travel,
Yeah.
we meet different things, different, like here, me, I grew in this village,
Yes.
and when I grew in this village, there were a lot of forests.
Forest,
this,
yeah.
this was our land.
A
up to
very
there,
big
and
forest,
yes,
yeah.
big up to that river.
Yeah.
Imagine here there was cloud forest up to this area.
And there were a lot of hyenas here.
Very hyenas and the leopard.
And the
There is a
leopard,
day
yeah.
there is a day even we found our sheep
Has
has
been
been eaten.
Mm.
It has taken and there was a big tree there.
Yeah.
It has kept in a big tree.
Oh,
It has
yeah.
eaten all the intestine.
But it has
And then now
left.
we're looking for that sheep. Where is it? Now that tree, it was a fruit tree.
Yeah.
Now because fruit tree, people always go there.
Yeah, to
When-
eat fruits.
Yeah. When they went there, we found a sheep.
A
A
sheep.
sheep without intestine. So
That
you couldn't walk here around. You walk here around at around
night?
6
PM.
evening,
Mhm.
my friend.
You are done.
It's a marathon. So I used to run from there marathon up, and home was up there.
Up there.
And I'm like, Jesus Christ, what is it coming from?
Guys, these are the stories of
Uh,
bushman, dude.
So yeah, so I love forest because I also have been environment that is very quiet because the forest make the environment quiet.
Yeah, for
Because
sure.
everyone needs peace.
For sure.
Yeah, just want to hear like those birds are making noise there.
They're chipping up there all
Yeah.
the way. You know?
You feel? So when
Yeah.
you plant here trees, they'll be just feeling the natural things. I
Yeah.
love natural things.
That's bushman
Yeah.
for us, guys.
Natural
And
things.
so you decide the name behind bushman, dude, is like you wanted to just plant trees
Plants, yeah, because
so that you can be
Yeah,
inside there.
actually, see, this is my dream home. Eh?
Yeah.
My dream house because, guys, it takes time and energy for
Yeah.
you to have even a small place where you call home.
For sure.
So if you have even a little bit place of where you call home, at least
Yeah.
try to make it look beautiful. That it's not about the big house or the something, the what. It's about what does someone
What
come
makes you
and
happy
feel
around.
the feeling.
Yeah,
You
for
know,
sure.
when you come and feel find good shade,
Yeah.
fruits,
Fruits.
and vegetable just collect from you. See, even you have pumpkin.
Guys, I'm telling you, this guy, look this form of agriculture.
Yeah.
He doesn't need to just step with the entire land to just dig.
No, this one enough.
Just a
because
small square.
pumpkin do produce a lot of pumpkins. Yeah?
Okay, yeah.
And I'm not doing for a large scale.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is just for home. So I think this one is
Guys
enough.
are Jamaican on his own. You see, just this guy just decided, let me just make a small square
Yeah.
and just dig here.
Yeah.
Only you fear to take a jump and dig the whole land.
It's also not easy.
Time,
It's not easy, guys. You see how the
it's
soil
time consuming.
time consuming, and
So you decide like
you have to eat ugali in the morning.
in the morning. So
So
here
these onions, these onions are planted.
somebody can come and think it is a grave bushman.
Oh my God, don't say it. This look like a grave. Eh? And this the onion. This one, I don't know if they are.
Why are you
grown.
covering up that way?
This one, those one with
Bulb.
bulb.
Yeah, bulb
So
onion.
there is a way you chop them on the top.
Mhm.
Where there's root, you put them facing down.
Yes.
But make sure you chop the top where
top.
where this one
Shoot,
will start
the
coming.
shoot, yeah.
So you water it and then you cover this one. So
Come
it will
on, but
germinate.
there's no air penetrating here. Look like this.
Air.
Bushman, yeah.
Air is in that soil. Looking for air. Air is there. I don't think.
What do you do open? Can I
Does the-
open?
Does germination need air?
Yeah.
Warmth is there. That's air. Oh, my
Oh,
God,
but
I don't
no, you know
even
this
need
way. This
air.
way you open here.
Oh, I know you have to close. Because I'll be watering them.
No, you water from here
Yeah,
and
then
then
I
you close. Guys, this is bushman for sure, I swear.
So,
Let me close.
so after they've removed this, you know you can cook with these leaves.
Yeah, the leaves.
So you just chop the leaves and cook, and then they will grow.
This type of farming, bushman. It's
no
it's
stress.
only I've seen it only with you.
No stress.
I've never seen it anywhere
Some
else.
bamboos.
Bushman.
Yeah.
Guys, we have bamboos here.
Yeah, this is
Different
bamboo.
varieties of
Yeah.
trees. We have also bamboo here. We
All
also have.
medicinal. They're all medicinal.
Oh, you have also medicinal here.
Yeah. Medicinal.
Oh, it's a medicinal house.
So let's go this way.
Okay. And what was the idea behind the A-frame house? Not or maybe when you built maybe the other normal houses like maybe my brother here Nasto or up there or maybe
Yeah, those normal ones.
normal
that we've been
houses.
doing.
Yeah.
This idea is my baby who came with this because I'm mostly here in Africa.
Yeah.
It's very
Very rare to find these A-frames.
A-frames.
Yeah.
Even when she was coming, that idea was like Jesus Christ.
I'm so surprised with this. You know, I'm like, man,
Yeah,
you know,
don't finish it,
it's-
but
it's
I
the-
just need to put some grill,
grill.
and then glass, so
Wow.
that you can, when you're inside there, you can just see the view from here.
Guys, you know, actually, being with Bushman dude over
Yeah.
here, this is one of the most unique houses that we
Yeah.
have over here in the village, and it's an A-frame all the way from Ireland or Ireland.
Ireland.
Ireland,
Yeah.
all the way to the village here in
Village.
Kenya, Africa, and this is what you see over here.
Yeah.
And he decided to say, no, man, I just want this
It's
to
good to be
dig
changed.
in,
Yeah.
to be changed, and
Yeah.
also to learn more, and also to just see what's happening.
it's good to learn,
Yeah.
to advance.
One thing I love about this is like it's so unique, and everybody is like, man, what is this? What is this?
The first people, when they start building this house,
Yeah.
they can even demoralize you because they've never seen this house.
They have never seen this, yeah, for
They're
sure.
like, What the fuck is this? This is a church. Someone else that came with a...
why bushman, dude? Why did you lick this?
Someone who came with brought me the motorbike. Is like, is this a club? I'm
that
like,
a
Jesus Christ. Do you see like this one is a club?
You know, like it's only one A-frame house that we have over here.
So you even have some parking area.
So this is the parking area. Oh man, guys, this is really nice, and it's really inspiring over here with Bushman Noon. Let me know in the comment section what do you think. So you decided to move on.
You should be careful when you step here.
Oh, should be very careful.
I've harvested at Bushman this mushroom. Sometimes I harvest them and then I forgot to cook. Like I have like 10 of them inside there.
Inside, and you forgot to cook.
I forgot to cook.
But the good thing with this, they don't go when the moment you harvest it.
Yeah.
And when it dries up, it doesn't get.
It does not go bad.
Yeah, it cannot go bad.
Yeah.
So it's a gorofa. Oh,
Yeah.
you live off-grid life.
I live off-grid life.
No
stress, no nonsense.
No stress, no nonsense. No electricity, no anything.
No electricity, no anything.
So you live
I
with
live
solar.
by natural things, by the
Okay.
solar. I use sunlight.
Sunlight.
To for entertainment, for anything.
This is for sure Bushman, dude, guys. Let's go up. So
have this balcony here.
so this is the balcony.
Yeah.
Oh, man. A front porch.
Yeah, the porch.
The porch, yeah.
Yeah. There's a difference. Don't know how to differentiate between a balcony and a porch.
But it's a balcony. I think it's raised, and I mean, which is this one.
Yeah, this one is a balcony.
But we can also regard this as a porch because
still you can
it's
relax there.
yeah, we can relax there. Wow, it has some breathtaking views.
View.
Now you'd be shouting, Claude Joseph!
Yes, Claude's land is just here.
there.
Now that these trees have
just
overgrown,
Mhm.
you can't see. So there is also a river there. There's a good cool breeze from here.
From down there
Yeah.
it comes. I see also there's a new neighbor also
Yeah,
beyond.
that's a good new neighbor, agriculture.
Hey, the guy.
You see, he started this smaller house.
He's now going up there.
building. So the village is growing.
Hey, Bushman.
Yeah.
You are really a
We have
Bushman.
a tree here.
Even up
This
here.
this one is called what? Around
This one is
snake.
it's called
snake plant.
snake tongue.
Snake plant.
Snake plant, yeah.
Yeah.
And also some people
Google,
say it is like mother-in-law's tongue.
Mother-in-law.
Mad-
I've never had that.
Yes, they call it they call it mother-in-law's tongue. Reason being, I don't know, it's because of these colors. And do you know the advantage of this one?
Yeah, I Google. No, I know when I was told that this one is called snake plant.
Snake plant, yeah.
Me, I thought that maybe this one is scaring away snakes. Now one day I came, I found a skin of a snake here.
Come
And I
on,
was like,
man.
yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Like the head here. You know, there was, you know why it was here? Because there was so many wood here.
Oh, there was some
Yeah.
woods here. Okay.
Yeah, wood, and we've not moved to this place, so they like such kind of where they can
They can
there are so
hide.
many wood. I have to remove them here. So when I was moving is when I realized
There was
Then I
a.
start thinking now. how
Is
does it
this
call
plant
a
that brings
plant?
snake?
Why? And then it's coming to sleep just next to it. So I decided to Google.
Yeah.
It helps. Maybe it brings money, good luck.
Yeah.
It's good that even if you come to greet us, that's a good luck.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
You know we have a
And
lot
also-
of this at home.
Oh, you have them?
I think you
But
can come and give you
I'll
some
come give them
suckers.
because my babe wanted to buy another one. I'm like,
No,
babe,
no, no,
stop.
no.
It's even
I'll come and
producing.
give you some of this. We have
Yeah.
a lot of this.
Imagine this one is very expensive at the garden center.
At the garden center.
This one of the expensive tree there.
Flowers,
Flower,
yeah. And one thing is like it brings also fresh air and it keeps
Fresh,
it keeps away mosquitoes.
Yeah.
Mosquito can't mosquitoes can't come near in your house when you have
I
this.
need to have one inside the house.
Yeah. So you come at home.
I'll come. Yeah,
Maybe
actually,
I'll give you maybe 2 or
some even
3. Yeah.
Because
My
she
brother,
wanted to add. She was willing to add, and I was like, babe,
my brother has
I
a
didn't
lot
have
of.
money. One is around 400. Imagine.
400.
But if you don't know that, you can find them somewhere.
Somewhere.
You can.
You come home.
I would have opened this one.
But no worries, guys.
Yeah.
So this is the front area.
Yeah.
The idea of this
This
bushman,
is now the house, the Ephraim house.
the Ephraim house. The
This is the
idea
real
of
house
this guy.
now that we've not finished, but very soon we are going to.
Get finished.
Yeah,
with it.
because step by
Okay.
step, and through those people are watching us,
Yes.
they're really giving us, motivating us,
Motivation.
telling us that Bushman, yes,
Yes.
you've done a good job, you've tried. You know, guys, you know how we started.
Yeah, for sure.
Everyone was like, "There's no house," because
There's
we
no-
started up with pillar.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah,
the
they were
pillars.
like, "Now this guy, what is he doing?"
What is he doing? Even me, I thought
Yeah.
maybe it was a big story building that we are building until when I traveled and came back,
Yeah,
People-
you're like, "Oh, it's coming out clearly."
it's coming out, very,
Clearly,
very
yeah.
clearly.
So
good.
guys,
Yeah,
let me show them my channel. If
Yeah.
maybe
they should be subscribing
Yeah,
to
go
True Boy.
subscribe.
No, to True Boy. Oh my God,
You got the True
Bushman. You know, I've been used to be with True Boy near.
near you.
Yeah, so I thought maybe when we were talking about construction, it was like also because today the work was little, and because you called me, come help me.
Yeah,
something,
thank you so much. I really
I had to
appreciate.
rush and leave. We
Yeah,
left the
thank
Masons
you,
who are doing
thank you so
something.
much. And it's rare you find someone
Yeah.
who you want to imagine help,
Yeah.
and someone just come
Yeah.
and you know,
Guys, this
there are
is
few
his channel called Bushman,
The
the
Bushman.
Bushman dude.
yeah,
And this Bushman dude, you
Uh,
have seen a lot of flowers, a lot of different
yeah.
varieties of trees,
yeah,
and the view. And he was like, "Man, me, I wanna be different over here."
yeah.
Just
It's
trying
good to be. It's good to be different because you know you can't be on people's shoes because
Yeah.
even though Claude, you understand.
Yeah, for sure.
We are so many people here, but we can't be the same.
For sure.
You know, you can't be the same. So I don't want to. What if, let me ask you a question?
Yeah.
I would have maybe build a house like for my Yuguno,
Yeah.
or for that for Nasto.
Yeah.
Probably they will have been saying like,
You have copied this.
yeah, you've copied us.
Oh, okay.
You see, and me, I
Okay.
don't have that space of, oh, you've copied us, you've
Yeah.
done what.
Okay.
So yeah, let's be mine, be unique, but it's a nice house.
Yeah, for sure.
And then I'm just fine.
Wow, man.
Yeah.
So,
because
okay.
now, what if everyone come with this house, the same house?
The same house.
It's even both.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, but for this
Yeah, but when
stands
it
out.
become different, people even too come to see.
Yeah,
like,
let me go. Even
Yeah.
me today I was like,
that's-
let me
yeah,
go
that's-
see.
that place people have built some different houses.
And
Yeah,
you,
and
you know
also
now
you-
this, you know now this is also the talk of the town.
Yeah.
It's talk of the. It has
Talk of the
taken
town,
the
like-
show. It's like, hey, there's a house that has been built down there. You know, up there, guys, is the town, Sirari town.
Sirari town. By
So
at
the
night
rumors
is
that,
very view,
yeah, the rumors that comes from there. Bushman,
don't know,
the
you
rumors
know.
that comes from there, up there, it's like
there is a
there's,
Jamaican.
there's a house that has been built. We have never seen that.
eh,
So people are like, they are eager to come and
to
see.
come, yeah.
Even those who have never passed through this road,
Yeah.
they usually pass
They
through.
will pass, but they nosy around.
Yeah.
Too much. They're
Yeah.
like, they want to see
They
around.
want to see.
I'm like, Jesus Christ, what is this?
They wish
You
they
know now
could.
when you were in your house and everyone is like,
They want to check what is
yeah,
going
you
on.
like, I don't even have privacy. I don't even have.
But now you have the fence,
Yeah, the
and
fence,
you have the barrack gate.
the barrack gate.
Bushman,
No
Bushman.
entrance, no entrance.
I'm really appreciating this of what you are doing, and for also welcoming me,
Yeah.
for touring me around here.
Yeah.
So actually, guys, he decided to move in without it
before
before
even
it's
yeah.
even complete, which is a very good idea also,
Yeah.
because the moment you are in now, it's where you feel like, what can I
What
add
can
here?
I do? You see, like now when I was inside here,
Yeah.
when I came here, actually, we've not even painted
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
We've only played tiles in one side.
Okay.
So when we came here,
Mhm.
at least we painted. We started painting.
What is this? Are you the one who was doing this?
Which one?
Bushman. This is a helicopter.
Those are kids. Those are Gabi's kids. He bring kids to they were doing I don't know
With
what.
kids.
Yeah.
Oh,
You see,
okay.
I think you Singi and that.
Singi and Dan, which
Singi
means
and that means don't enter
don't
inside.
go
And there is
in.
this my babe kept this it's
It's
called
an eye.
eye protection.
it's called evil eye.
Evil
like,
eye, yeah. So if you know about that,
Yeah.
it's okay.
And also this one. Do not.
Yeah, do not enter. Because people used to come, so I told even the djembe. You see, I planted.
Actually, this guys with a lot of skills of planting. Look like this. How do you see this, Bushman? How do you come with this skill? This is a
Oh,
bottle.
this one is like a one glass. Guys, let me show you nicely.
Oh my god.
I created it. Now that I just supported because the base was not well.
Bushman.
I removed through here.
No, don't worry. It's okay. I
Now
can
let
see
me show
it
you.
now. These
Can you
are-
see like a one glass?
You
I
can-
wanted to be alone, but now I kept this one to support for base.
for the base of it, so you can even put water
Cannot
until
even,
after.
yeah. So you see, it was kind of like
Like
wine,
that one.
like wine glass. You see from here.
This guy takes a lot of time,
Yeah.
guys, making these things. Look,
Yeah, just being
this is
creative
a bottle
and
of water.
yeah,
No, a bottle of soda.
a bottle of
Coca-Cola.
yeah,
So with you, everything becomes
useful.
useful.
Yeah.
Hey,
Everything
carry this,
useful,
guys. Your
yeah,
phone
thing.
with your mushroom.
Mushroom. That I'm wondering this compound. What is this compound?
with
Every
a
day I
lot-
wake up, I found mushroom.
All right. Yeah.
So this one, I want to make many of them so that I can just hang them there.
Man, what's the idea of this?
The idea of this is just that no.
Being a bushman.
Yeah, being a bushman, and again, I love beauty and nature. You know, this is beauty. And
This
I
is
need
beauty,
to be
yeah.
comfortable because this is my home. Now that God has blessed me now, what will I do? I can't just live like anyone.
Yeah, for
If I want
sure.
somewhere at least I can go relax. This is the place I'll be relaxing.
For sure. True story.
So me myself, you see these trees, they're really helping me my health. Because most of the time, even like evening, even when I wake up, the first thing,
Yes.
you just walk around and see these flowers.
And you
It's
just
good for
water them.
meditating, yeah.
This for
Yeah, help me
meditating.
to meditate and see at
Wow.
least I've created something out of, out of me,
Yeah, for
How
for
do you
sure.
feel when you give life to
Something like
yeah.
this.
You feel like blessed.
You feel blessed.
Yeah,
and you
blessed
feel
because
very,
now imagine everything was God created everything, not only human being.
Yeah, for
created
sure.
trees also. Don't forget about the trees.
the trees, yeah. But he
created-
just gave us authority to take care of them.
Yeah, and it produce, and they say that make them produce.
Produce.
Yeah. So if you don't make them plant them, how do you want them to reproduce? And
Guys,
people are
I'm
cutting
telling
and
you,
doing-
if you're around Bushman,
know.
dude, you laugh all the way
Yeah.
through. And he always oozes wisdom. You know,
Yeah.
sometimes
Yeah.
you see him higher up there, bringing all these stars over here, and tells you, "I'm living my own life over here, like Jamaica."
Yeah.
So and
Yeah.
also,
It's
man,
good to live, in
Yeah.
this village. It's good to live your own life because,
sure.
if you give people space, some people space to your life or to your
To your zone.
yeah, because you people think differently
Yeah, for sure.
and have different experience, and the more you entertain, even if you sit with fool, you eventually become a fool. If you sit with someone who grab vine, talk this, do this, you become with that one.
Like that.
If you sit with someone who like, oh, that person who boast like, oh, I have this, have that one, you eventually become, and that's not life.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure.
so me, I enjoy being myself and what I have, and that's what I enjoy the life.
Mr.
This is what I enjoy now, planting
Mr.
this.
Strong.
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Bushman, dude,
thank
guys,
you so
please
much.
show
So-
some love to Bushman,
Yeah.
dude. Subscribe to him
Yeah.
and show him some love because you have seen actually
We've come
he has
from
we
far
have come
and-
from far and
you see, we are trying to give life.
to give life to
So,
everything. Yeah.
Yeah, subscribe. That's
Yeah.
also giving life to me.
Yeah.
I really enjoy and say that I'm from Claude.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's how also you make our friendship also grow.
Yeah, for
Yeah,
sure. An
so-
advice to the people who are watching us towards everything that is happening because yeah.
Okay. To advise, I can say, just be you, and always try to see yourself somewhere else,
Yes.
not where you are.
Yeah.
Maybe everyone have inspiration, everyone have what maybe you want to achieve in future.
Absolutely.
Yeah, so just be you, and make sure that there is some changes.
For sure.
I started this house, I don't know what I can say. People have so many problems.
Yeah.
But put God first
For sure.
and be faithful.
True story.
Yeah, if you're faithful, they say that you can even say mountain move.
And
And me have moved mountains. I've moved
Bushman.
mountain, yeah.
You have moved
I've moved
mountain.
mountain because how I started. Me,
Yeah.
God gives you clarity step by step.
Yeah.
You see, it's like moving mountain. Like, oh, Bushman can never
Cannot
do
do
that
this.
Yeah.
Let's see where he
Yeah,
will
well,
be.
let's see. People are just waiting you in the corner for you to fall. But instead of falling, you make even.
Bigger steps.
They realize you're on the air.
On the peak. Bushman, thank you for the
much,
thank
bro.
you so
I
much.
appreciate so much.
So much,
Hopefully
man.
the pin is going to come.
Yeah, we are waiting for that.
Yeah.
Guys, actually his channel has really been having some issues, but I'm praying so much that whatever we have done, it will
Yeah,
just
because
come
I've
on
really
good.
waited for long,
Yeah.
and that's what I'm telling you. It's just patient,
Yeah,
patience
patience.
pays, and be faithful.
Yeah.
And I've not given up, and
Don't
I
give
really
up.
appreciate you also
give up,
coming
yeah.
back again
Yeah.
to help me. Also motivate me that
Yeah.
keep on.
Keep on.
Yeah,
man.
something is cooking.
Something is cooking. Also, welcome home.
Thank
and,
you, thank you.
Things are going on
Thank
to
you
be
so
well.
much.
Guys, subscribe. Road to 30,000 subscribers. We are ending this video here, and let's say bye bye and be blessed. Subscribe to Bushman and Carl Joseph.
Yeah, thank you so
Bye,
much.
man. Bye.
Okay.